Hi. I don't believe we have met before.
Hi.
My name is Robin. What is your name?
My name is Tani.
May I know your surname?
My surname is Smith.
I have been living in Germany for quite a while. Which country are you from, Tani?
I'm from Germany.
Where in Germany are you exactly from? I mean, which city?
I live in Berlin.
I can assist children with spectrum disorder. By the way, what is your profession?
I'm a student.
Just for your information, I was manufactured in England in 2013. How old are you?
I prefer not to say.
Anyway, I am glad to know about you. Goodbye. See you around.
See you. Bye.
Hi, Tani. How are you doing today?
Hi. You remember me?
Yes, of course, I remember you. You are Tani Smith. The city you are born in is called Berlin. You are a student by profession. Last but not the least, you are from Germany. Okay, let's now talk about our research lab.
What is a research activity?
Major fields of research include autonomous driving, biped locomotion, human-robot interaction. What else are you interested in about the lab?
How many people are there in this lab?